Well guys, here she is. 500-year-old lawnmower. I think this baby was put together in a great revolution. She's an old girl. Yeah. Let's move my earmuffs here. Let's see what's under this hood. Oh boy. Twin 18 horsepower. Looks like a Briggs and Stratton. Something like that. Yeah, Briggs and Stratton right there. Yeah, she's been through a lot. I'd fire her up for you guys, but she's out of gas. The last place she stopped was right there. No idea what year she is. I'm guessing early 90s, late 80s, not sure. Don't even know where to look. No idea. It's got a good hitch on her though. Pulled a lot of things with that. It's surprising how powerful this little sucker is. Anyhow, that's about it.